Manual logbooks, inconsistent records, and disconnected workflows slow down teams and increase compliance risk. It's time to boost the efficiency of your operations through capturing data in real time, whether online or offline. iOps streamlines logs across cleaning, equipment, calibration, maintenance, and more, bringing clarity, accuracy, and control to every task. Use customizable forms, enforce SOP-aligned workflows, and access your logs anytime from any device. iOps provides real-time traceability, built-in audit trails, and data integrity, keeping your operations inspection ready. ValGenesis iOps, for operational execution that's connected, compliant, and always in control.